Alright, just went and picked this up from neighboring neighborhood. It is a Craftsman DYT 400 42-inch deck, 18.5 horse Intech overhead valve, Intech Plus. Said he was mowing along, got done mowing, shut it off, and it backfired, and now it sounds like it doesn't have any compression. So we're either looking at a bent push rod or a snapped connecting rod. Don't know which, but we'll find out. Let me get the camera set up. We'll crank it over and see what it sounds like. Throw the compression tester on it. Sit tight. Alright, let's see what we got here on Don's old Craftsman. He's right. Absolutely no compression. Let's pop the valve cover off. We'll take a look under there. See what we've got there. I'm guessing thrown or bent push rods. Yeah, that's my guess. This is a 2004, by the way, 13 years old. Let's take a look. Alright, let's zip those 3/8 nuts off. See what we've got. We're going to have some oil spillage. I'll take care of the oil spillage ahead of time. Usually I run it up on the lift. We're just going to do a quick look here and see what we've got going on. Hope the audio's been better last couple of videos. It's been kind of a pain. Well, both push rods are in place. That's a little disheartening. And it looks like we have a stuck valve. Looks like the exhaust valve is possibly stuck. Interesting. Let's roll it over by hand a little bit and see what we've got. Well, it's opening. Alright, there was the compression release. Should be close to top dead center there. That all seems good. Alright, well, let's do the old standby. Alright, just got a couple more bolts to take out on the head. We'll pop the head off and see what is behind door number 1. How much in the way I was there. Oops. Alright. Now obviously anytime you get this deep, new gaskets are in order. So at the very least I'll have to order new gaskets for this. Ooh. Ah. Zippo, you're a dork. I think we're loose. Ooh. Ah. That thing comes in handy. Hang on. Danger, Will Robin. There we go. Okay, so what do you guys think that it is? What do you think could be causing that problem? Push rods are fine. They are good and straight. No problem there. Bring the piston up. I just heard a door slam. That's probably my Diet Coke's coming. Alright, what do we think the problem is? I have zero play in the piston. I have a good head gasket that has not blown. So the only thing left that it can be is the head, right? Isn't that what makes the most sense? Well, got both of our valves. This exhaust valve right here, if you look at it, looks like it's sitting a little low. It should be up same height as this one. I'm going to pull these caps off so I don't lose them. Tappet caps. So, what would cause that? Any idea? I'm going to venture a guess that we have dropped the valve seat. That's just my guess. Valve seat. Now this is an easy fix. You can actually put these back in and peen around and reset these, and they will stay for a very, very, very long time. Or I can throw a good head on it, and I've got one. So I think that's the route that I'm going to go in this case, is just grab a new head, and I've already got a gasket here, so I'll show you how to repair this, but we are not going to do the repair for this tractor video. We're just going to get another head, stick it on there, and see if this engine comes back to life. So stay tuned for just a minute or two for that to happen. Okay, we're back on the Craftsman here. Just wanted to show you guys. It's upside down, but we have a 1P777 head, model or manufacture date 2004. The head that I'm replacing it with is a Model 3 1P777, manufacture date 2004. So it is an exact replacement for this engine. I just need to get the push rods put in, get the valves adjusted, and we will be off and running to the races. So I'll let you guys go ahead and watch me adjust the valves if you feel like doing that. So hang on a couple minutes.